Sometimes we'll work on AutoCAD with our huge project or huge work. Then may some work or may some project will be missing or will be out of that screen. So how we'll see all of our work in one page or in that screen at a time? Just simply double click on your scrolling button from your mouse. Double click and just see all of your work are here. Just if I zoom out and if I move that in left side something I'm somewhere, and if I take a rectangle here, just see I will stop grid just here, a rectangle, and I will take a elliptical like that. Okay, so now if I want to see our previous work, we have moved our work somewhere else. So how will see that? Simply double click on your scrolling button and just see your that work is here, and I mean previous work is here and new work is here. And they have another option. Okay, just see like that we are moving our work right side. Now to do that, simply click Z enter and ALL all enter. Just see all of your work is here. All of your work is here. In this way you can also do that.